Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the hottest car reviews. Today, we're diving into a true icon, the 2021 Audi R8 V10 Plus. This isn't just a supercar, it's Audi's ultimate expression of precision, performance, and power. So, what makes this beast stand out in a world of Ferraris, McLarens, and Lambos? Let's find out. At first glance, the 2021 Audi R8 V10 Plus is an absolute head-turner. Its aggressive yet elegant styling commands attention. This isn't your average sports car, it's a mid-engine supercar with bold Audi DNA woven into every line. The sharp, angular LED headlights, the massive honeycomb grille, those iconic side blades, still there, and they serve both aesthetic and aerodynamic purposes. The low-slung stance, wide rear haunches, and optional carbon fiber detailing make it unmistakably exotic. This Plus model steps it up with lightweight 20-inch wheels, a carbon fiber fixed rear spoiler, and enhanced aero components. The visual drama is backed by serious engineering. Now let's talk about the heart of the R8, and it's a wild one. Under the glass sits a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine. No turbos, no electric assist, just pure, raw combustion. V10 pumps out a staggering 602 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque in the Plus model. That power is routed through a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch S-tronic transmission, launching the R8 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, with a top speed of 205 miles per hour. And let's not forget the soundtrack. This engine screams up to an 8,700 RPM redline, a rarity in today's turbocharged world. It's one of the best-sounding engines on the road, period. Paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the R8 offers mind-blowing grip, cornering confidence, and stability. Whether you're carving up canyon roads or launching off the line, the rear-wheel bias adds a playful edge, but the AWD keeps it planted. It's a perfect balance between savage and smooth. Step inside, and the R8 feels like a cockpit built for performance, but with the finesse of Audi luxury. You're greeted by bucket-style racing seats that offer serious support without compromising comfort. The driver-focused layout eliminates distraction. Instead of a central infotainment screen, Audi uses its Virtual Cockpit, a fully digital 12.3-inch display that handles everything from navigation to performance stats. It's clean, modern, and tailored to the driving experience. The flat-bottom steering wheel, packed with controls for drive modes, engine start, and even the exhaust tone. You don't take your hands off the wheel, because this car begs to be driven. Optional features include a Bang & Olufsen premium sound system, Nappa leather upholstery, and carbon inlays throughout the cabin. It's both race-inspired and road-ready. The 2021 Audi R8 V10 Plus isn't just about numbers, it's about emotion. Every throttle input, every corner, every shift is designed to feel engaging. The steering is laser-precise, the chassis communicative, and the suspension, whether you choose the magnetic ride or the fixed sports suspension, keeps things tight yet forgiving enough for real-world roads. With Drive Select, you can choose between comfort, auto, dynamic, or individual modes. Whether you're cruising through the city or tearing up the track, the R8 adapts to your style. It's shockingly usable as a daily supercar. Visibility is decent, the ride isn't punishing, and there's even front trunk space for weekend bag. Audi made sure this wasn't just a garage queen. 1. The engine, a dying breed. This is one of the last naturally aspirated V10s on sale. No artificial sound augmentation, no turbo lag, just raw, mechanical magic. 2. Daily usability. Unlike some exotics, the R8 blends supercar performance with German practicality. It's as comfortable in the city as it is on the track. 3. Quattro confidence. That Audi AWD system means all-weather usability and incredible traction, something rear-wheel drive competitors can't always promise. 4. Timeless design. It's aggressive, but not overdone. The R8 styling will age gracefully, just like the first generation did. 5. Legacy. Sharing DNA with the Lamborghini Huracan, the R8 delivers Italian flair with German engineering and build quality. The 2021 Audi R8 V10 Plus is a dying breed in the best way possible. It's analog emotion in a digital world. It's one of the last cars that makes you feel every bit of the drive, while still delivering everyday livability. If you're looking for a supercar that's exotic but not obnoxious, thrilling but not terrifying, and raw without sacrificing refinement, the R8 V10 Plus might just be the perfect fit. In a world heading toward electrification and turbocharged everything, the R8 V10 is a love letter to driving purity. And honestly, that's something worth celebrating. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comments, would you take the Audi R8 over a Porsche 911 Turbo or a McLaren Artura? Subscribe for more deep dive reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.